Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the View Reference tool in the View tab so you can work immediately. Select the host view you need, a plan, elevation, or section, and pick the appropriate reference type. Once done, set the reference name and scale. Those values control visibility and annotation. Make sure to choose Dependent when you want automatic updates or Callout for isolated detail views. You're now ready to place the reference bubble and position it where the detail must appear. Next, place the reference bubble and drag to define the exact referenced area. You're shaping what transfers to the new view. Once placed, adjust the crop region, scale, and orientation so the referenced view matches drawing standards and aligns with sheets. Remember, you can link annotations from the host or detach them. Choose based on whether you need consistent notes or independent edits. Also check view templates and line styles to maintain appearance across project sheets before creating the target view. Create the target view from the reference and immediately verify its properties so everything is correct. This establishes the dependent or callout view you just defined. Then place the referenced view onto the sheet, confirm scale, and review visibility settings to ensure annotations and categories show as intended. If details look off, inspect the view range, crop region, and any active view templates. Those are common culprits. Finally, make a quick model change and confirm the reference updates to validate the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.